Good morning, children. In the last class, we have discussed about some of the basic concepts related with celestial bodies and solar system. In this video, we can discuss about some of the information related with our major star in the solar system, the Sun, and the unique planet in the solar system, that is the Earth. Then we have to discuss about some other celestial bodies like meteoroids and asteroids. Do you know which is the ultimate source of heat and light for the entire solar system? Yes, the answer is the Sun. But the tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because it is too far away from us. Here we can discuss some of the basic information about the major star Sun. The Sun is the star that is the central object in the solar system. It is made up of 92% of hydrogen, 8% of helium, and rest is some other elements. It's a huge spinning, glowing sphere of hot gas which is formed 5 billion years ago. Here, there are some basic information related with our major star Sun. Its age is said to be 5 billion years. Its surface temperature is 5700 degrees Celsius. Its distance from the Earth is 149 million kilometers. Its diameter is said to be 13,92,000 kilometers. Now we are going to discuss about some of the information related with planets in the solar system. Actually, what are planets? Planets are the celestial bodies revolve around the Sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. These are the list of the major planets, major 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This is the list of 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Among these 8 planets, which is our planet? Yes, our planet is Earth. Earth is known as a unique planet. What is the reason behind that? These are the conditions or reasons which are favorable to support life on the Earth. Actually, due to the existence of life on the Earth, Earth is called a unique planet. The Earth is the only one planet in the solar system which support life. What are the reasons for Earth to support life? See, I have listed out 2 points here. The first reason, that has neither too hot nor too cold. It is mainly because of its considerable distance, its favorable distance from the Sun. Earth is neither too far nor too nearer to the Sun. So, Earth is having a comfortable temperature about 17 degrees Celsius. That temperature is supportive for all life forms on the Earth. That temperature is favorable for all living things on the Earth. The next point is, it has all life supporting elements like air, water, and favorable climate. As we know, for supporting life, some basic elements are necessary. Which are the major elements that support life? The 8 major elements are air and water. So here our earth is the only one planet which is having the presence of the fresh air, oxygen and water. This is also one of the reason to support life on the earth. Now we are going to discuss about some of the information related with the satellite, the only one natural satellite of our earth, that is the moon. See, here are some basic points related with moon. The first point, only one natural satellite of earth. That means the moon is said to be the only one natural satellite of earth. It is 3,84,400 km away from the earth. It takes 27 days to revolve the earth. The last point, it has neither water nor air. That means the moon cannot support a life. Next, we are discussing about some other celestial bodies like meteoroids and asteroids. What are meteoroids? Meteoroids are the small pieces of rocks which are revolved around the sun. What are asteroids? The numerous tiny bodies apart from stars and planets and satellites which are revolving around the sun are called asteroids. So these two are meteoroids and asteroids are the other celestial bodies we can see in the sky other than planets and stars. But these celestial bodies are not much visible as we can see stars and planets. Okay children, we can go to the end of this video. Here are some questions. Try to solve these questions if you can. The first question is, what are asteroids? The second question is, what are meteoroids? The third question, write the importance of planet Earth. The fourth one, name the planets in the solar system. Okay guys, we can see in the next video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Have a nice day. Thank you.